my name's Dianna. I'm going to be talking about using technology to implement case-based learning when teaching biochemistry at a tertiary level in America. I'm going to start looking at why biochemistry cannot be taught linearly, then look at the online case-based learning system and the pedagogical impacts, look at how it affects active learning and student participation, and finish off with the practical advantages of a case-based learning system. So biochemistry is the study of the chemical and physiochemical structures, molecules and processes that exist in a living organism. Now just here you'll see one of the many pathways students are required to learn at a tertiary level when studying biochemistry. Now the problem with how biochemistry is taught all around America is it's traditionally static and linear, which means students are exposed to one molecule at a time, or one network at a time, or one process at a time, without getting a true understanding of how they all connect and interact in the real world. So this means that students have difficulty applying their knowledge to more complex real world scenarios and cases. Now, what technology would allow us to do is provide a platform for students to get involved in case studies or case-based learning and allow them to apply their theoretical knowledge to real-world context. And by using technology, we can do this on a large scale and get to large classes at a time at a tertiary level. Now, the online case-based learning system at its core is case-based learning, which is derived from problem solving or problem-based learning. Basically, with the abundancy of technology available, students would be able to interact with these cases before class, during class, or after class on any of their devices, which means it's more accessible and students can more actively get involved in the learning process. Now, the active learning process involves problem solving, asking and answering questions, as well as discovery style learning. So what technology allows us to do is get large groups of students involved in this process all throughout the semester and all throughout a particular biochemistry topic, and they can start practicing their active learning and real world application skills. Now, in terms of the effect of active learning and their participation, active learning is known to promote critical thinking skills, problem solving skills, and critical analysis skills. These are all great transferable skills, not just for their degree, but also moving on to their careers after the fact. It allows them to develop problem solving skills, which is known to increase the level of comprehension and help with that application to real world scenarios. Active learning has been linked to promoting longer retention of information and higher order thinking, moving students away from their memorizing and rereading and rewriting from this didactic style of teaching to actually applying and understanding what they learn. Now, the increased students' engagement has also been linked to increased student participation. Now, all over America, student participation and attendance at a tertiary level is a known issue due to some classes not being compulsory. So, if by improving student engagement, by allowing them to participate in these online case studies, we may also be able to increase their participation and their attendance, which is an extra bonus. Now, the practical advantages of using an online case-based learning system include being able to create cases on a large scale or for a large group of students that may otherwise be too costly to the university. Now, this would include financially and time, resources and staff. Now, being able to source the right molecules and patients and situations to create these real world cases is near impossible in the timeline that students actually study their biochemistry course. So by having an online platform, it allows them to easily access these. Students can be exposed to a range of problems and cases during their course. So instead of being exposed to one or two cases, using an online platform, students may be able to be exposed to 10, 15, 20, 100 different cases while they're doing their course due to the nature of its delivery. The class activities can then be tailored more closely to the students' future careers. So in a biochemistry degree, you may have pharmaceutical students or medical students or physio students, and you can actually give each of these students a different case study that more directly links to their future career. So overall, what does this mean for the biochemistry students? It means they're leaving their course with increased contextual comprehension, increased critical thinking and problem solving skills, increased real world application skills, all at a reduced cost to the university. So that is why using technology to implement case-based learning can have a range of positive impacts on pedagogical and academic side of the university course. Thank you.